Solve for x in the following diagram. Round answer to 1 decimal place. Question: we first have to consider the smaller, blue, right triangle shown. We can calculate y using Pythagorean theorem, since we know two of the sides of this right triangle, 5 and 6. We can now the larger, green right triangle shown. Here we will calculate z using the tangent ratio. Once we have both z and y, we can subtract them to determine x. First, let's consider the smaller. Using Pythagorean theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. In this case, the hypotenuse is 6, which corresponds to the. We have then 6 squared equals y squared plus 5 squared. We can rearrange this for y squared as 6 squared minus 5 squared. Taking the square root of both sides, we end up with y equals the square root of minus 25, which is the square root of 11, which is approximately 3.32 centimeters. We then look at the larger green right triangle, and we use the tangent ratio, the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Looking at the 33-degree angle, 5 is the opposite side, and z is side. Multiplying both sides of this equation by z, we then can divide by tan 33 degrees for z, giving us 5 divided by degrees. Substituting this into a calculator, we get z equals 7.70 centimeters. Calculate x. X is equal to z minus y. Substituting in 7.70 for z and 3.32 for y. Rounding our answer to 1 decimal place, x equals 4.4 centimeters.